All right, in this tutorial or this video, I'm going to go over the one biggest mistake most online marketers make that could end your career as an online marketer real quick. And what are the three tools needed to become a successful online marketer? And what I'm looking at here is just an affiliate offer. It's just one of the many offers out there that people can promote. And one of the biggest mistakes, I'm just going to get right into it. This is going to be really short. It won't take too long. One of the biggest mistakes that online marketers make is, let's say, taking the link to such as, let's say, an offer like this and send their traffic directly to this page right here. And the thing is, the biggest mistake is when most people visit your affiliate offer. Maybe this is one is your proponent promoting this one, or maybe many of the other ones you have or can find. Most people who visit your affiliate offer never buy. So that means you're going to look at this, let's say this affiliate offer here, you're going to look at it and they're going to go away forever. And you're not going to get them back. And especially if you bought traffic and paid solo ads, you're paying all this money, and most of those people will never buy. They're going to look at your offer and then go away. Or you can spend a lot of time on social media getting traffic to come to your maybe your Facebook page to look at your offer. They're going to look at it and they're going to go away. And so what do? You don't want to waste your time and money. So what you're really supposed to do is you create a landing page to capture someone's email first. And you make these landing pages with this. ClickFunnels is the leading landing page and funnel builder there is on the market today. There is something that's in beta right now that's probably going to really surpass ClickFunnels. But for now, ClickFunnels is the leader that's out there. For example, if you're not familiar with a landing page is, here is a landing page right here. It talks a little blurb and an email address. Now, let's say let me go back to that one offer. Okay, let's say this was your offer here. You don't promote it just like this because, as I mentioned, everybody's going to come to this page. They're going to look at it and they're going to go away and never come back. And you want to get those people to come back, and there's a way you can do that. So what you do is you build a landing page, not necessarily like this, but it'll have the same configuration. It'll have primarily a place for the people to put their email address. And you're going to put a little blurb here that gets your curiosity, or give them away some sort of incentive to put their email in here. But you're not going to tell them a lot about the product itself. You may discuss a little bit about their problem. Are you looking for more freedom? Are you worried about getting laid off? Or have you just been fired? Do you hate your boss? Something like that. And you create a landing page and collect their email. And once you have their email and they hit this little button, then you go over to a bridge page where you can have another intermittent video, or once they click this button here, they go right on over to your offer here. So let's say if you're buying solo ads or working on social media to get people to come to visit your site, they don't see this first. Where they go is they'll come to your landing page, put their email in, and anyways, even though they put their email in, most of them don't ever buy and they go away. But now that you have their email address, you can start email promotions and emailing these people with maybe some tutorials you can make, or you can make some videos, or you can start email marketing them to get them to come back to look at your offer, or maybe some other offers. And how you do that is you need to get this. This is GetResponse. It's an autoresponder. There's many autoresponders out there. This is a popular one. There's Aweber, there's GetResponse, there's Omniport. There's quite a few of them. This is one that I've used quite a bit, and I've used some other ones. And this service you can get, you link it in ClickFunnels, you link it to this button here. So when they put the possible customer, whoever, or puts their email in there, when they hit the button, this service collects that email, and then you can go into this service here and you can build your email list. So your email list is where your money. You need to focus on building your email list. And also, on top of having this, so you have one tool that you need, you got to have ClickFunnels. There's some other funnel builders out there, but ClickFunnels is the leader. All the successful online marketers all use ClickFunnels. They're really good. So you need ClickFunnels. Your next tool you need is you need to get response, get yourself an autoresponder and start building your list. Because if you send your traffic right to your affiliate offer, it's end of story right there. Your affiliate marketing business is over right there before it even starts. So you're going to have your ClickFunnels, you're going to have your autoresponder, and there's one more tool that you got to have, and that is a custom domain. Because if you try to advertise on Facebook or Google and you're using the link that you're given, let's say from your affiliate offer here, and you use that link, Facebook doesn't like that. They don't like affiliate offers, and Google don't like affiliate offers. They will ban you. They could ban your advertising account in Facebook, which they have done to a lot of people. Google can ban you. They can close your ad account. So you want to come here, get yourself a custom domain, and domains are like right here, they're like $8. So you can say maybe make money online. That's probably taken, so I'll say make money online today and see if that's available. And I'll just hit enter, wait for the internet. Okay, it's going to give me my results hopefully pretty quickly. Hope the internet's not too slow. So when something comes up, usually hopefully you can find something that's not too expensive. A lot of them are cheap, but if you want to get like something that has a lot of keywords, that reminds me, when you grab your custom domain, you want to have your a keyword in here, like maybe a keyword in there, but you don't necessarily have to. But okay, so make money online today.money, it's only $5.95. So you make yourself a custom domain name. So now you're not going to use the domain that, or the link that your affiliate offer gave you. And you take this custom domain name and you plug it in here inside ClickFunnels, and you build yourself, let's say, a landing page. And that landing page will have your new custom domain. And when they put their email into your landing page, they're going to be sent over to wherever you want to send them. You can send them directly to your affiliate offer, or you can send them to a bridge page that kind of warms them up a little bit. Maybe you might make a video and tell them a little bit what they're going to see next, or you can send them right off to your affiliate offer. So that is the core on how to set up an affiliate offer. There's a lot more to it, to promoting affiliate offers. Maybe you want to build yourself a tribe and start building a tribe around what you're doing. And one other tip, a lot of affiliate marketers, when they promote products, they'll just go to ClickBank or something and they'll find a product and start promoting it. Well, it would be good to buy that product yourself and become a master of that product and know what it's all about, and really promote something that you're really into and something you really believe in, and something that you would be willing to sell to maybe your mother or your uncle or someone that you care about. Because that way you're going to be more motivated, you're going to know more about it, and you'll be able to speak from authority. That's just one little tip, but you don't have to. You can promote products that you don't even own. You can do it on a transaction basis. But the gist of this video is, do not send traffic directly to your affiliate links like this one, because this person or the owner of the product will be getting all the emails. When someone clicks on get access, the potential customer will enter their email in there, and the owner of the product will be getting all the emails, and then owner of the product can email these people to come back and circumvent you, and you spent all the time and money getting your traffic in the first place. So you got to have, at minimum, a custom landing page, get yourself an autoresponder, and get yourself a custom domain. And there are videos online all over the place on how to set these things up. And maybe in some of my other videos, I'll go through step by step how to set up your campaign with these 3 tools. So that's it. And see you on my next video.